Hello students, welcome back to our class. What we learned so far is about important industries and their distribution in the world. Iron and steel industry completed. Today's topic is cotton textile industry. This video will give clear idea about the full working process of a textile industry. You have to watch this video carefully. Textile industry is one of the oldest and widespread industries in the world. Textile means woven fabric. A variety of material needs for textile industry. That are raw materials from plant, materials from animal, material of chemical origin. Raw materials from plant are cotton, jute, flax and hemp. Materials from animal fiber, wool and silk. Materials of chemical origin for synthetic fibers, rayon, nylon and polyester. Clothes found in Egyptian tombs date back to 5500 BC. Cloth was made from cotton in India about 5000 years ago. That's why we told it is one of the oldest and widespread industries in the world. The change from handmade textiles to machine-made textiles occurred first in England. Now it has become common practice. Now all over the world they are using that machine-made textiles. The making of cloth involves 5 processes, that are carding, spinning, weaving, dyeing and processing. Once again, carding, spinning, weaving, dyeing and processing. Carding means to make fiber parallel. Spinning means to make yarn. Fibers will be made clear, that process is called as carding. That fibers will be made in the form of yarn. That process is called spinning. Weaving, that to turn the yarn into cloth. That process is called weaving. Then dyeing and processing. These are the 5 main processes involved in this cloth factory or textile factory. If we discuss about the world's distribution, important countries with textile industries are as follows. Different industries we are going to discuss about these different countries and their contribution to the textile industries. First one, USA. The main centers are Boston, Lowell, Bradford, New York, Atlanta and Philadelphia. These are the main textile industrial centers in USA. Boston, Lowell, Bradford, New York, Atlanta and Philadelphia. In China, the important centers of textile industries are Shanghai, Tianjin, Guangzhou and Langzhou. In UK, Great Britain is the birthplace of modern textile industry, as already we discussed. The change from handmade textiles to the machine-made textiles was started or occurred first in England. So chief centers of industry, textile industry are Manchester, Bolton, Bury, Glasgow, Preston and Blackburn. These are the main textile centers in UK. Japan. Osaka is known as Manchester of Japan. It is a leading center for the large spinning mills. Japan is dependent upon the imported raw materials from India, China, Sudan, Egypt and USA. in the textile industries of Japan. They are importing many raw materials from different countries, from India, China, Sudan, Egypt and USA. The industry is export oriented. The Japan's textile industry is export oriented. The main features is high quality and low price. Their features are high quality product but low price product they are producing. Then cotton textile industry in our country, in India. Although the textile mills are located more than 80 towns in India, but most of them are Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh and Odisha. Many textile mills are located in near about 80 towns in India, but most of these textile industries are located mainly in these states: Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh and Odisha. Mumbai is rightly called as the Cottonopolis of India. The ideal geographical factors such as black soil, plenty of fresh water, transport and rich hinterland are some of the factors for the development of textile industry in this region. For developing a textile industry, some factors needed. These all factors are available in Mumbai. That's why Mumbai is called as the Cottonopolis of India. Factors already told: black soil, plenty of fresh water, good transport facility, rich hinterland. That are some factors for the development of this textile industry. These factors are available. That's why it's called as the Cottonopolis of India. Since India is largely a tropical country, cotton textile is in great demand and is a major revenue earner for the country. So that's all for today. We have to read this portion carefully, and you should go through the figure which is given in page number 65, figure number 5.4. So you will get a clear idea about the textile industries in the world. Thank you all.